Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you a beginner-friendly lace wig install, so just keep on watching. This wig is from Nadula Hair. I received a 22-inch 13x5 highlighted T-part lace wig, and here I'm showing you how everything looked when I first received it. Okay, so now I'm showing you the construction of the wig. So you only have lace in that T shape, which is along the hairline and down the center. Showing you how the tracks are sewn all the way up until you get to the lace. This is the middle part, and the knots did not come bleached, but that's okay because I use makeup to hide my knots. Okay, so after I washed the hair and I let it air dry, I used my curling wand and I added a few curls. So if you are a beginner and you really don't want to deal with like a full lace frontal or a lace front wig, you would like a T-part wig because you don't have to do much. So after I position the wig to my liking, I'm pushing the hair out the way so that I can cut my lace. And all I'm doing is cutting along the hairline. So this wig fits so good, like I can shake my head, it wasn't going anywhere. But I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to spray the end of the lace so that the tabs can lay down. And then after that, I'm taking my melting band and I'm going to apply it for like 15 minutes. And this is how it looked once I remove my band. So next I'm taking my curling wand and I'm going to curl a few of the pieces in the front because it kind of messed up when I pushed my hair back. But yeah, so I'm going to curl that, and then I'm taking my fingers and I'm going to loosen up the curls just a bit. And that's it. This is the final look. Look how easy that was. So simple. As you can see, the color is so pretty. I really love the highlights in this unit, and the hair is very soft and it holds a curl very well. So I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, so go ahead and check out Nadula Hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.